About me. I am a local SEO expert, web designer, prospecting on WhatsApp to promote my own services. I have discovered that WhatsApp is most powerful communication tool which can find prospects, communicate, and build a good rapport with prospect and sell your services. My experiences. Before using WhatsApp, I have tried with email marketing, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Reddit ads, Stumble Upon ads, Pinterest, Instagram ads, Skype marketing, Reddit and Reddit ads, and more to promote my services and find prospects. Of course, email is working for me, but right now it is saturated. Lot of people are competing for inbox, eyeballs, visibility to secure the deal. Most of the social media platforms have lost their organic reach as it was before. Competition. Most of the other service providers are competing in the above mentioned social media and email for eyeballs, visibility, find prospects and leads. Of course, email is working for me, but I'm not getting a fast response to secure a deal. But once I came to WhatsApp, the engagement is better. WhatsApp is godsend. I experienced that I am getting lot of visibility for my products or services, and and it's most engaging and interactive. No spam box like email. Okay, they won't ban you for any reason. All your messages are delivered. All your links are clickable. Links are clicked. All messages can be tracked by two blue check marks. That means the message is read. It's similar to inbox open rate and click-through rate. I have no products or services or to promote or sell. Will it work for me? Good question. I have tested with lot of affiliate programs. Even though you don't have any products or services to sell, you can go for affiliate programs. The only thing is you need to create a responsive list. I mean international list to make this work. Okay, there are a lot of free traffic on WhatsApp and you can tap it by sending relevant offers to them. Initially, you need to do a groundwork, then the list will pay for you for life. I have tested with lot of affiliate programs as a part of my job, and most of the times I do get good conversions from the list. You can send relevant or highly converting offers to the list and earn some money for conversions. So you can build a responsive list as shown in the course. You can make money and this will work. WhatsApp advantages. WhatsApp has 1.2 billion active monthly users as of September 2016 and millions are joining on WhatsApp app on daily basis. E-commerce owners agree that 50 to 70% of transactions happen from a mobile device compared to desktop, tablet and other devices. See, trends and consumer behavior is changing. See, 50 to 70%, it's not a small figure. See where the traffic is coming from? Mobile. See, tag this opportunity. Suppose you can sell your products or services, you can sell your affiliate services on WhatsApp. It is working for me. WhatsApp is the king of engagement. This course is about how to find good prospects to sell your own services or affiliate services. For example, I used to find good prospects from USA, Canada, UK, France. Okay, these are the countries where the people are likely to buy. Okay, it's up to you, but I find good conversions there. This course is about how to find good prospects to sell your own services or affiliate services. Build a good rapport with prospects. Program WhatsApp like an autoresponder by creating a specific broadcast list. See, if you are familiar with autoresponder, if you are into email marketing, you know the engagement, you know the click-through rate and all. Okay, that kind of rules. But here I have turned WhatsApp like an autoresponder by creating a specific broadcast list. This list will pay you for life. Traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of all online business. You need prospects and leads to send them relevant services, products, or offers. Leverage the power of WhatsApp. Traffic equals sales equals money. System. See, this system is newbie friendly. No tech experience needed. My secret traffic source. Spend 30 minutes to 1 hour a day to build responsive WhatsApp list. See, that is dedication. You need to be dedicated to see results, to see consistency. Not saturated and virtually no competition. Be a pro in 1 hour. No spam box. 100% messages delivered and tracked. See why I'm promoting on WhatsApp is that I'm getting lot of visibility, eyeballs, and say what to say CPA. What action I want to do through WhatsApp. If I send an email, I need to wait a whole day whether the guy has read the mail or not. But WhatsApp, the action is complete. What is the action? That is, you should read my message or content. That is within minutes, within seconds, the other guy has read my message. See, that is what we want. You can advertise on Facebook ads. The only thing is, if you advertise on Facebook, you should wait for at least 3 hours, or you should wait for at least a week to see if your ad is working or not. But here, WhatsApp is nothing like that. Immediately, only matter of minutes, you come to know that whether a message or content is read or not. Okay, that is very important. WhatsApp Traffic Magician is all about how I built a WhatsApp fan base. See, this system advantages. Anybody can do this. No investment needed. Okay, there are some courses. Okay, after going through the old course, you'll come to know that you need to invest for a special software, a special board. Okay, you no need to buy any special software. It's completely manual, safe, natural, and organic. No budget needed. For example, there are certain Facebook courses where if you want to make the tactic work or make the course work, say you need to invest like $50 or $100 for a week. Okay, that to just to test a campaign, and you need to wait for at least 1 or 2 weeks to see any conversion, to see real results. You can't expect immediate results. There are a lot of external factors. But in WhatsApp, the reaction is immediate. That means you send a message, you want them to see your message, read it, just click a link, the reaction is immediate. Immediately you can, if you see two blue check mark, that means they read your content. They may or may not click the link. Okay, that we have no control over them. You can get started in day one and see traffic and engagement. It depends upon the product or service or the way you convince the prospect. King of engagement. Arrange calls if appropriate. Say they may ask for any extra questions. Okay, I suggest you to go through the product or service which you are promoting, because that makes you look like an authority, an expert, and they're more likely very happy to buy from you whatever you recommend. WhatsApp Traffic Magician. It's all about how I built a WhatsApp fan base of 25,000 plus active prospects of leads in 3 months. Okay, it's 100% free, natural, and organic. Untapped potential. I will walk through the steps on screen on this video course. See, it's not a bunch of slides. I'm walking through the screen, okay, on my computer screen, how this can be done, how to build a responsive list, how to build a broadcast list, how to communicate with them, what kind of services you can sell, okay, how to get the reply, how to, and all the issues related to it, and all the questions connected with it. The target market for this course: individuals, social media, consultants, SEO, agencies, any advertisers or marketers can benefit a lot from this course. See, if you, even though if you don't have any product or services to sell, even we have some affiliate program, CPA, it's up to you. Even students, professionals, retired people can also do this in their free time and also make money in the process. See, while building a list, it's not about the numbers. That means you have a huge numbers like 30,000, 20,000. No. Even you have only 10 people, even you have only 100 people, list is very responsive. You are getting lot of responses. Any content you send to them, any message you send to them, they are reading it. They are asking for more information. They are clicking your links. That means the list is very responsive. That is what which is very important. Okay, concentrate on that, not building a big list. Okay, that's all for now.